It's Rieta here again today, and it's never ever going to be hard just to smile. I'm trying something new today. Washed my hair a day ago and just feel like doing something different. Last year I did the Marley Twist and it came out really good, but this year I want to do it, but I want to do it short, like the length of my hair. But I'm gonna have issues because my hair is longer than the bob. So I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I think that'll be cute. I'll be back, show you guys what happens. Hi Smiles, it's Rieta here again today, and it's never ever going to be hard just to smile. I did the huge Marley Twist and they came out okay. So I wanted them to be a little shorter, but my hair is not short, so I couldn't do that. My hair probably around here, so my hair is like right about here. And so I was cutting it close, and I've had them in now for days now, and they still look good. I use this to moisturize my hair under the twist, and then I use my edge rag on the edges. It's a little messy, but I like that. I don't want it to be like super neat. So some of them are huge and they're like messed up and right there, and I don't care. I'm gonna keep them in for at least 3 weeks, so just to give my hair a break and I don't have to do any hair. Oh my God, thank you Jesus. They took me about, say, 3 hours because I mixed my hair, and each one, like the ones in the back, I did 8 strands, and then in the ones in the front I did 6. So I used this My Beauty 1B 33H, and then I used regular old 1B, both Marley hair. 2 packs of this and 2 packs of this. I used my growth oil and I oil my scalp. I did the rubber band method where I part a section of hair. I took my hair in 2 sections. I added the strands, then I closed back my hair, and then I put a rubber band and I tightened it, and then I twisted it. I copied a method from another YouTuber, and I'll put her video link in the bottom so you can see how I did it. And then on the ends I put black rubber bands on the ends so I can cut them. So all of them have rubber bands on the end because they would have unraveled. So I put rubber bands on all the ends, and then I cut them. What else did I do? I wrap my hair in a scarf every night to preserve them. They're not tight, they're loose, because I didn't want to make them tight. And yeah, they're not tight at all. If I do want to tighten it, all I had to do is unravel this and then tighten my hair in the rubber band and then twist it over again. But I don't want to make them tighter than they already are. They're fine. They're loose. I can put my hair up and they're not gonna hurt. So usually when you do your braids, like the first couple of days, you can't really move them because they hurt really bad, but they don't hurt. I think I got like, let's see, I think I got like 12 plaits. And of course I got my little Stay Fabulous sign today. I hope you guys are staying fabulous. I have on this shirt that I got from a friend, and I didn't know what color it was. I was trying to get this color in just gold, but I couldn't find just gold, so I just bought the ones with the red. And it doesn't match my shirt, but it match my earrings. These earrings and necklace came from Ghana. A friend got it for me. So I'm just all decked out today. My African attire, they go with my hair. I'm going for a certain theme today. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. I do 2 videos a week. If I am not feeling well, most of the times I just do one, and then I do one on Instagram. Make sure you check me on Instagram. I'm GTSmile_2. Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, smiles.